Meet the Cozyla Calendar, plus your family's digital command center. More than just a calendar, it's a multifunctional smart display built to simplify your life. You get a seamless calendar integration with Google, Apple, Outlook, Yahoo, Cozy, or any calendar with a public link. You get a customizable dashboard and widgets, drag and drop widgets like calendar view, chore charts, meal planner, checklists, and weather, and clock. Multiple dashboard layouts lets you organize by family member or by task. You can assign repeatable chores with reminders and reward points that kids can redeem, boosting engagement and routine follow-through. You can plan meals, generate recipes, and auto-create grocery lists all in one place. And it's essentially a giant Android tablet. You can download streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, or launch a browser, all without extra subscriptions, which is great. It works with Google Assistant. You can go, "Hey Google," supports sleep mode scheduling. It shows time and weather, hands-free and smart. You can create profiles for each family member, manage schedules remotely via the Cozyla mobile app. And unlike many of its competitors, Cozyla requires no monthly subscription, just a one-time hardware investment. Real user feedback says that they had issues with the original calendar, and support upgraded them for free. It's highly customizable, family-friendly. So, who's it for? I'd say it's ideal for tech-savvy families who want a fully customizable, all-in-one smart display without recurring fees, and who don't mind a short learning curve to unlock its potential. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe, and let me know what you want reviewed next, or perhaps you want it compared with another calendar.